this video, you will learn how to write an automation script for your project. Let's consider the following scenario. The system under test generates a report that needs to be verified. The report is a CSV file expected to contain 3 rows. You need to download it from a remote box and then verify it row by row. At the end, you need to check that the report contains no rows other than the expected ones. We know that the report is identified by the current date and the sender's name. Also, we know that each row in the report can be identified by the sender's name and the trade ID. This is the expected contents of the file being verified. To automate verification of such a report, we need to write an automation script or matrix. You already know its structure from the previous video. For this example, we'll have report files on the same box, but we'll simulate finding the necessary report among the following files. Before writing a matrix, make sure you have all the required actions available. These are downloading a file, reading it as a CSV, and verifying its rows. Here's the list of actions available in ClearTH by default. To download a file, we can use the execute script action, which simply executes shell or batch scripts. This way, we can customize the downloading process to our needs. The output of the script is available for referencing from further actions. The second action to use is load data from CSV file. It loads the data from a given CSV file for further processing. Next, we'll use 3 verify CSV record actions to check all the expected rows in the file. This action verifies one row of data loaded by the load data from CSV file action. At the end, we need to make sure that the file doesn't contain unexpected rows. We can use the No More CSV Records action for this purpose. It does exactly what we need. It verifies that the data loaded by the Load Data from CSV File action is completely checked by Verify CSV Record actions. Now we can start writing the matrix. Let's move on to part 2 of the automation example video.